Hi everyone, it's Amber and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. I'm so excited y'all are joining me today because I'm collaborating with one of my favorite artists and really good friend, Tiffany from Willie B Studios. Tiffany, that was an awesome painting that you created. It totally took me back to the days of Lisa Frank, and we decided to do our paintings based on Lisa Frank. Now, in case you guys don't know who Lisa Frank is, she is a designer of whimsical school supplies. So every girl back in the 80s and 90s had to have a Lisa Frank Trapper Keeper, Lisa Frank stickers, Lisa Frank notebooks, coloring books. I think I had a Lisa Frank lunchbox, to be honest. And I remember I was really intrigued by the dolphins that Lisa Frank would create. But without further ado, let's get started. And in case you guys missed Tiffany's video, I will have her channel and video linked down below. So definitely go check her out because she is the queen of cloud pours. Now let's get to this painting.
And y'all, here are my colors that I will be using. But first I wanted to show y'all what I will be doing this cloud pour on. It is a 16-inch round canvas that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's the Master's Touch brand. And I sprayed it with water to stretch it out in the back so that paint doesn't pool in the center. And now on to my colors. I will be layering my colors with this little piggy parakeet, absolute favorite color. And that will be followed by Amsterdam Greenish blue. And then here's Amsterdam turquoise blue. Here is my cloud mix that I'll get to in a second. And then here is Amsterdam primary magenta, followed by this little piggy Deja Vu. It is a neon pigment, so it doesn't have any shimmer. Now my cloud mix. I didn't have Vallejo available yet. It's still on back order. So I used an alternate recipe that I got from a fellow artist, Heather Bourbon. It is 1 part Deco Art satin enamel to 1 part US Floetrol, and then you will add 1 part of Artist Loft Soft Body White paint. It is a Michaels brand, so it is available at Michaels. You can use Amsterdam Titanium White if you have that. Now, all whites don't work, so these two work. Followed by 1 part Australian Floetrol. I'll have the recipe listed down below in the description box. It is a great alternative if you don't have Vallejo available. All right, y'all, now on to the fun part. I will start layering my cup. I believe this is a 12-ounce cup, and I will start off with this little piggy parakeet, followed by Amsterdam Greenish blue, followed by Amsterdam turquoise blue, my cloud mix, Amsterdam primary magenta, and this little piggy Deja Vu. Now, I do want to let y'all know that it does matter what opacity and density of paint you are layering next to your cloud mix. I still struggle with this part, so if you sandwich two opaques and your cloud mix in between, then your clouds will have a different effect compared to layering two transparents and your cloud mix in between those. You will have more transparent or translucent clouds. So both look great, so just play around with it, play around with the layering. And I'm always asking Tiffany how to layer these all the time. So definitely check her channel out and see how she layers her colors, and definitely check the opacities. Now I will add some base paint, a very thin layer. You don't want a lot of base paint because then you will have to stretch a lot of paint off. Now I mixed my paints with 2 to 3 parts of Floetrol only to 1 part paint, and I let them sit for at least 4 days. Your paints need to be super thick for this technique. Thin paints don't work well, so be patient and let them sit. I will let y'all enjoy the rest of this process, and I will be back with the wet results of my Lisa Frank inspired cloud pour. So guys, just sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of this process. And y'all, here are the wet results of my cloud pour. I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. I'm happy with the clouds. I wish I used some orange and some more greens, but overall it turned out really nice. I also wished it had some more shimmer. So to add some more shimmer, I decided to mix this little piggy shimmer with some JoSonja varnish and simply brush some random clouds in my painting. I didn't want to overwhelm the painting with just a bunch of shimmery clouds in like one area, so I randomly brushed random clouds in my cloud pour just to give it a nice effect. I was looking for the holographic foil paper. I couldn't find any, so this actually worked out really well. So yeah, here are the dried non-varnished results. It dried really nicely. Here are some more non-varnished results, and the next clip will have the varnished results, and just check out the shimmer from the random this little piggy shimmer that I used on my clouds. I am super happy. Y'all, here are the dried varnished results of my Lisa Frank inspired cloud pour. Overall, I am extremely happy with this and how it turned out. And just check out this little piggy shimmer. I feel like it gives an awesome green gold shift, but also a pink shift as well, in my opinion. And here is another view of the varnished results, and you can really see parakeet shimmer in the center as well. So I'm super happy with this recipe. I'll definitely be using it again since Vallejo is still on back order. But yeah, there you have it. Let me know what y'all think of this alternate recipe that Heather Bourbon came up with, y'all.
Well, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case you missed Tiffany's, make sure you go check her out. I will have her video and channel link down below. And guys, I will also have my cloud pour recipe that I used linked down below as well, along with the colors and how I mixed the paints. So definitely utilize that description box and go check that out. Well, guys, I had an amazing time and I can't wait to see y'all for the next one. Until then, though, stay safe, stay classy, and stay awfully awesome, guys. Until next time, bye.